That's Achilles. That's another one. What up, guys? In this video that you guys are about to watch, you're gonna watch a drop fade. We're gonna do a hard line coming down to the side on the left side of the head. He does not want to touch anything on the top. He's letting it grow. I think he wants like a man bun. Very simple cut. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Right there. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys around. Alright, so this is the before cut. As you can see, it's pretty hairy on the sides. We're going to start using our ANDIS SUPRA with the number 5 or 50 blade on it, and we're going to create our first guideline. Alright, once we created the first guideline, I'm going to switch the metal blade to a 3.5, and what I want to do is take out most of the bulk here so it's easier for me to work on. So we're going to take this almost to the top. What we're doing here is just taking the excess hair out so it's easier for us to work. Alright, now with the ANDIS cordless T-Align, with the blade at 0 gap, we're gonna create the line or the part kind of towards the back of the head with an arc. Now we're gonna switch to the WAHL seniors, the cordless, and we're gonna open it, which is gonna be a half, and we're gonna create our second guideline. And we're gonna do this through the other side. It's always good to have a brush or a comb in your hand and always comb the hair out so you're not double working yourself, and it's cleaner and easier to see the lines. Now we're gonna close it almost completely closed. Just leave it a little bit open, and we're gonna work that first guideline that we created with the 50 blade. Now with the same machine, we're gonna open it halfway open, and we're gonna keep working our way up, not passing what we did with the half. As you can see, I'm using angles here in the corners of the blades to achieve a better blend. Now I'm going to slap on my WAHL half guard on the open position, and I'm going to create another guideline. Now with the WAHL half guard also, we're going to close it, and we're going to start taking out what we just created on the open position. So we're going to close it and keep working our way up. Now you could work with this and open it halfway and keep erasing what we just created. Open and close halfway. So now with the number 1 guard on the closed position, we're going to keep working our way up. And as you could see on the C motion, like flicking the wrist so you're not creating a hard line. Now with the number 1 guard on the open position, we're going to keep working our way up. And as you can see, I'm going kind of an angle. I don't want to go into the top of the head. Now with the 1.5 guard by WAHL on a closed position, we're gonna work what we did with the 1.5, where we stopped with the 1.5. Now keep in mind, do not go into the head. All we're doing is just kind of flicking the wrist. So now I'm gonna grab my comb and my shears, and I'm gonna do comb. Shears over comb technique, just on this side, so we could get a better blend. Now using the shaving gel that you guys desire, I'm using the 245 razor with the door grill prime blade. And we're going to start cleaning what we did with the T-OULINERS. All we're doing is cleaning, we're not creating a new line. Alright guys, under the description part in all of my videos, there's links for other tools that I use in all of my videos. So if you're looking to any of those tools, don't click on the description and make sure that you click on one of those links. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share it. So now with the ANDIS Pro Foil Shaver, we're just gonna shave the bottom part, not passing what we did with the number 5 metal blade. Alright, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @_B_Fernandez. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you like, share it, and I will see you guys around. This is the final product.